In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw NotCoin to Binance from OKX or ByBit. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer your NotCoin and convert it to your desired currency. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. In your browser, enter the URL for OKX. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security measures to ensure your account is secure. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu of the site. Look for the Assets option and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you should select Deposit. A new screen will appear, allowing you to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. In this case, find and select NOT. Next, you will need to choose the network for the transaction. Select Tune from the available options. After making your selection, you will see a deposit address displayed. Copy this deposit address and, if necessary, note any memo or tag that might be required for the transaction. This information is crucial for ensuring your funds are properly credited. Now, move to your web wallet, such as Tomkeeper or Over Wallet interface, and look for the Send or Transfer option. Click on this to initiate the sending process. You will now need to paste the deposit address you copied from OKX into the appropriate field. If a memo or tag is required, add that as well. Ensure that you select the TON network for the transaction. After that, input the amount of NOT you wish to send. Before proceeding, double check that all information is entered correctly. Once confirmed, initiate the transaction. You will need to wait for blockchain confirmations, which typically takes around 1 to 5 minutes. During this time, you can monitor the transaction status in your web wallet. Once the NOT has arrived at the exchange, you will need to confirm its arrival. To do this, navigate back to OKX and go to the spot trading section. Here, you will open the trading pair for NOT against a stablecoin, such as USDT. You can choose to execute a market order for an instant sale or a limit order if you wish to set a specific price for your sale. If you select a market order, confirm the transaction to sell your NOT for USDT, BTC, or your desired token. If you prefer to withdraw your funds, go to the wallet section and select Withdraw. Choose the currency you wish to withdraw, such as USDT, ETH, or BTC, and follow the exchange instructions to complete the withdrawal process. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.